This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Gene Moore. Now here is affordable housing. Lots of room, located on the ground floor, and it's an end unit. Generous room sizes with large windows for lots of natural light. Enjoy the large fenced patio area just outside the dining room, sliding glass doors. The primary bedroom is large with a walk-in closet and a private bathroom with shower. The second bathroom has a tub/shower. In the kitchen and dining area there is nice ceramic tile flooring. The galley kitchen has a good amount of cabinets and counter space. There is also a laundry room with some cabinetry for extra storage. There is convenient carport parking right outside the front door with an additional storage closet plus storage cabinet. Only a short walk to the bus. So contact your agent to arrange a private showing. For more